Hello everyone and welcome to this video lecture on biotechnological tools for environmental sustainability. I am Dr. Tilak Maity, currently working as an assistant professor in the Department of Biotechnology at Holden Institute Technology, West Bengal. In today's rapidly changing world, environmental issues such as pollution, climate change, waste accumulation, and loss of biodiversity have become major global concerns. Addressing these challenges requires innovative, efficient, and sustainable solutions. Biotechnology plays a vital role in this context by harnessing the potential of living organisms, biological processes, and modern molecular tools to protect and restore our environment. In this lecture, we will explore the major biotechnological tools that contribute to environmental sustainability. Let us now begin our discussion with an overview of environmental biotechnology and its importance in building a sustainable future. Environmental biotechnology is a specialized branch that utilizes living organisms such as microorganisms and plants, their enzymes or biological systems to protect, restore, and sustainably manage our planet. Biotechnology plays a vital role in addressing environmental challenges by developing sustainable solutions for pollution control, waste management, resource conservation, and ecosystem restoration. By harnessing biological processes, microorganisms, and genetically engineered organisms, biotechnology offers innovative way to protect and enhance the environment. But why choose biotechnology over traditional method? There are five core reasons. Natural processes, it harness nature's own mechanisms rather than the fighting against them. Sustainability, it is highly compatible with circular economy concept, supporting waste to resource cycle. Cleaner outcomes, it generates significantly less secondary pollution, resulting in cleaner byproducts. Efficiency, it reduces our dependence on harsh chemical or physical remediation. Economic value, these methods are generally more cost effective and energy efficient, saving both resources and money. Environmental degradation is one of the most urgent challenges, primarily driven by human activities stemming from technological and industrial progress. These activities include extensive deforestation, which disrupt the water cycle and destroy habits. Simultaneously, the excessive use of fossil fuels increases greenhouse gas emissions, resulting in a change to the average global surface temperature. Most conventional approaches to addressing these issues have worse environmental impacts rather than mitigating them. In the mission for alternatives, environmental biotechnology has successfully contributed to the sustainable utilization of natural resources, bioenergy alternatives, urban solid waste management, sustainable construction, and pollution prevention. To overcome these issues in a sustainable way, biotechnology offers powerful and eco-friendly solutions. Let us now understand the major biotechnological tools that contribute to environmental sustainability as shown in this slide. Let us now discuss microbial bioremediation, one of the most important tools in environmental biotechnology. Microbial bioremediation is the process in which microorganisms such as bacteria and fungi are used to degrade or detoxify environmental pollutants. These microbes utilize contaminants as a source of energy and convert them into less toxic or harmless substances. As shown in the slide, bioremediation is broadly classified into in situ and ex situ bioremediation. In situ bioremediation is carried out directly at the contaminated site without removing the polluted materials. On the other hand, ex situ bioremediation involves removal of contaminated materials for treatment elsewhere. This includes solid phase bioremediation such as composting, biopeeling, and slurry phase bioremediation, which uses bioreactors and biofilters to accelerate pollutant degradation. Overall, microbial bioremediation is an eco-friendly, cost-effective, and sustainable approach for environmental cleanup. Let us now move on to phytoremediation, an important green technology used in environmental biotechnology. Phytoremediation refers to the use of plants to remove stabilize or degrade pollutants from contaminated soil and water. It is an eco-friendly and cost-effective method, especially suitable for large contaminated areas. As shown in the slide, there are four major mechanisms of phytoremediation. First is phytoextraction, where plants absorb and concentrated pollutants, particularly heavy metals, in their leaves and other harvestable parts. Second is phytostabilization, in which plant roots help immobilize contaminants in the soil, reducing their movement and bioavailability. Third is phytovolatilization, where plants convert certain pollutants into volatile forms and release them into the atmosphere through transpiration. The fourth mechanism is rhizodegradation, where microbial activity in the root zone enhances the breakdown of organic contaminants. Overall, phytoremediation offers a suitable, sustainable, and visually beneficial solution for environmental cleanup. As illustrated in the slide, genetic engineering of crops and plants leads to improved disease resistance, herbicide tolerance, enhanced yield, better nutritional quality, and improved stress tolerance. These improvements support sustainable agriculture and reduce the need for chemical inputs. Genetic engineering of microorganisms enhances their ability for bioremediation, biosurfactant production, and biofuel generation. These engineered microbes help in cleaning polluted environments and producing renewable energy. Additionally, CRISPR-based technologies contribute to carbon footprint reduction and effective crop biocontrol, helping mitigating the impact of climate change such as increased carbon dioxide levels, drought disease severity, and reduced crop productivity. Bioenergy refers to clean energy derived from biomass, including plants, agricultural residues, algae, and microorganisms. As shown in the slide, biofuels are classified into different generations based on their source and level of advancement. First generation biofuels are produced from food crops such as sugarcane, corn, and vegetable oils. While they provide renewable energy, they may compete with food resources. Second generation biofuels are derived from agricultural and industrial waste, making them more sustainable and environment friendly. Third generation biofuels utilize algae and microorganisms. These have high energy potential and do not compete with food crops. Finally, fourth generation biofuels are advanced biofuels designed with carbon capture technologies to reduce greenhouse gas emissions even further. Overall, bioenergy and biofuels help reduce dependence on fossil fuels, lower carbon emissions, and support a sustainable energy future. Now let us discuss biosensors, often referred to as environmental detectives. Biosensors are analytical devices that combine a biological recognition element with a transducer to detect environmental pollutants quickly and accurately. As shown in the figure, biosensors enable real-time monitoring and detection of contaminants. When a contaminated water or soil sample comes in contact with the biosensor, the biological component such as an enzyme, microorganism, or antibody specially recognize the pollutant. This interaction is then converted into a measurable signal by the transducer, resulting in an alert when pollutants such as heavy metal or pesticides are detected. Biosensors are widely used in water quality monitoring, soil analysis, and food safety assessment. Their high sensitivity, rapid response, and on-site applicability make them extremely valuable tools for environmental protection. As shown in the slide, biotechnology offers multiple approaches to increase agricultural productivity while minimizing environmental impact. CRISPR-Cas9 gene editing is used to develop climate-smart crops that are tolerant to drought, pests, and diseases. These crops require fewer inputs such as water and fertilizers, and they help reduce carbon emissions from agriculture. Another important tool is the use of biofertilizer and biopesticides. These involve beneficial microorganisms that enhance nutrient availability and protect crops from pests, reducing dependence on chemical fertilizers and pesticides, preventing soil and water pollution. The slide also highlights cultivated meat or cellular agriculture, where meat is produced from animal cells in bioreactors. This technology significantly reduces land use, water consumption, and methane emission associated with conventional livestock farming. Finally, metagenomics for soil health allow analysis of soil microbial communities. By understanding soil DNA, biological treatment can be prescribed to restore soil fertility without chemical inputs. Overall, biotechnology plays a crucial role in ensuring food security, environmental protection, and agricultural sustainability. Let us discuss waste management and the circular economy, an important area where biotechnology plays a key role in environmental sustainability. As shown in the slide, waste is generated from municipal, industrial, and agricultural sources. Instead of treating waste as a burden, the circular economy aims to create a closed loop system where waste is converted into valuable resources. Biotechnology enables biotechnological treatment of waste through processes such as composting, anaerobic digestion, and bioreactors. These processes use microorganisms to break down organic waste efficiently. The next stage is resource recovery and valorization, where waste is transformed into useful products such as bioenergy, biofertilizers, and secondary raw materials. Finally, these recovered resources support sustainable production and consumption, reducing the demand for resources and minimizing environmental pollution. With this, we come to the end of our discussion on biotechnological tools for environmental sustainability. I hope this lecture has helped you understand how biotechnology plays a vital role in addressing environmental challenges through sustainable and eco friendly approaches. Thank you all for your time and attention.